Right, we're going to check out these chords now. I can't even read that. Enjoy the high quality. Thumbs up. Apparently they're the best. More the best. And more the best. Smart chip protection, fast charging, sturdy and durable. This device complies with blah 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 blah. Same with that one, and same with this one. That was easy. What is it? Is this it? It's a Ziploc bag or whatever you want to call it. Just open them all up then. I thought I might have to cut them open. Let's start with the first one. I know you don't care about the elastic band, but it's a nice quality elastic. What's that, about a meter cord? Don't know if that means anything, but that looks like it's orange. Can you see that? I don't know. So it's a USB to USB-C. Obviously it has some chip stuff in there. And in there actually also there's a little screen. Let's see what we can do with that. Obviously power back. Ooh, that's pretty. What have we got to plug it into though? Oh, it's probably not the best of things, but we'll plug it into this. So it shows how much it's drawing. That's pretty cool. Very nice. So that's obviously fully charged now. I don't have anything. Let's get this little fire out. Maybe. Let's take a look. There we go. And it's drawing 3.2 watts. I like this cord. Anyway, that was pretty cool. We'll leave this up here for now, in case we need it again. Gone to 0. Can you actually see that, or is it too far? Maybe I held it too far, I apologise. We'll do that again. So 0. It's pretty cool. So we'll try another one now. Obviously I'll put a link below if you're interested in that one. This one looks a lot longer. So this is a 2 meter. It's different to the other one. As you can see, different cord, different plugs. Again, I think it's like an orange inside. Orange inside. Don't know what that is. There we go, another screen. Not bad. It's quite nice. What did we say to that? 2 meters. Again, I'll put a link down below if you're interested. Another nice elastic. This one feels as long as the other one. Definitely is. What, 2 meters again? Something like that. Oh, that's a USB-C to USB-C. Not sure how to test this one. Actually, I have a plug. I'll plug this one into the wall socket. Nothing so far. Oh, there we go, it does work. 1 watt, 2 watts, 3 watts. Seems to be some more numbers there though. They're just not lit up. Maybe it's a higher power cord. Feels quite thick. Definitely thicker than the other two. I wouldn't know. I don't have anything I can test it on. Anyway, this is a nice cord. No fancy colours inside, but it is a nice cord. Same with this. I'll put a link down below if you're interested in taking a look or buying any of them. I will let you know where they've come from. There you have it.